Hi, I'm Jen Evans, Director of Education for Kevyn Aucion Beauty. The iconic makeup artist Kevyn Aucion said that the effect lipstick can have on creating the right mood is amazing. Use the top coats to express your mood and customize any look.
The comfortable, long-wearing top coat complements any lip color without feathering or moving. Multi-dimensional pearls illuminate lips with the most intense pigments for a voluminous 3D reflection. The soft, moisture-rich formula melts weightlessly into the lips, creating an opalescent shine. Using the inset of the ballet foot applicator, apply a layer of the top coat to the bottom of the lip, starting at the center, moving outward. Apply to the top of the lip, starting with the center of the cupid's bow, moving outward. Use the tip of the applicator for precise application around the outer edges of the lips. Apply these prismatic shades individually or mix together for a holographic effect. Mix Cyber Opal with Cyber Sky on the back of your hand and apply with the pad of your ring finger. To transform your matte lip color, adding a 3D shine, gently pat the top coat over your lipstick.
These versatile top coats will intensify any lip with just one swipe. Take your look out of this world with an opalescent holographic lip.